Imagine yourself in this Lincoln 2019 Navigator Select. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 30-way perfect position seating with active motion included, power thigh extender head restraints and heated ventilated with memory, panoramic vista roof with power sunshade, front license plate bracket, turbocharged, rear-wheel drive, active suspension, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.